So I've been doing my research, like for a good kit to start off with, and I came across this kit on YouTube. And I saw the kit and I thought it was just very nice for starters, for people who want to start, just not starting doing their nails. And it's called Mia Secrets, and it looks like this. So I was doing my research, and I come across a lot of videos. I see nothing but good reviews on this. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and give it a try. So I went on Walmart. I ordered it from Walmart. The delivery was super fast. I ordered it this Wednesday, and it arrived to my home Friday. And so I'm going to unbox this, and we're going to see what is in here, because I'm hearing nothing but good reviews. And I'm actually going to practice on my little cousin nails today after I get done doing this video. I'm just excited. So let's see what's in the box. Oh, and it says on the back of here everything that it comes with. It says everything that it comes with, and it shows everything in the back of it, and it comes with like a lot of stuff that you need. So let's see. Let's see. So when you open the box, you're gonna get two of these, two boxes like this. And for starters, so they gave me blue pearl acrylic and as well as purple pearl acrylic, and it is so pretty. Like, look at that. The colors are beautiful. And I have another one, orange pearl. Y'all, this is a pretty color, and everything is sealed and packaged. That's what I like. Nothing fell out. So we have these pretty three colors: blue pearl, purple pearl, and orange pearl. I'm probably use all these when I do my nails. Those are pretty. They also gave me a pink acrylic powder. This is a pretty, like a Barbie, like a light pink. I love pink nails. That's pretty. Also, we have a white acrylic powder. And they gave us some glue by Mia Secret. Everything in here is Mia Secret Professional. Ooh, a monomer is two fluid ounces. That's a pretty decent amount. So we have a monomer. This is a lot. As well as, ooh, we got Cover Beige acrylic. I love it. This is a really nude, like a very nude color. I love this type. So this is color nude acrylic. The colors are so far are my favorite. That's the point. Sorry, y'all. And we have clear acrylic powder. And also, ooh, they gave us some pretty pink hand sanitizer. And this one is 4 fluid ounces, 118 milliliters. Yeah. Okay, that's it for that box. And then, like I said, it's 2 of them that come in here. So let's see, y'all. Ooh, you know what? And when I saw the other girl's YouTube video on this cuticle, I was like, that is so pretty. And I was just really more fascinated just to get this little tube. But they give us some Cuticle Treatment Oil. Girl, yes. So that's what that looks like. Y'all, this is gorgeous. I love it. They give you some wet wipes. Well, not in wet wipes, dry cloths, like to wipe off your nails. Give you these. They give you a nail cutter. A nail cutter. Nail cutter. And they gave you a two-in-one a nail pusher for like your cuticle. Give you a 2-in-1 cuticle pusher. Get this out, y'all. They give you a dust brush. A dust brush. You know, to dust off the. This is pretty. Everything is so neat and packaged. I like that. They give you a nail dropper, you know, to dip your monomer in and put it in your little cup. So they give you nail tips. They give you 3 different colors. You have clear. They give you the clear ones, as well as ultra white. And then they give you the natural ones. And you get 3 bags of those. And it's 20 nails in each bag. So that's 60 nails altogether. And if you know, of course, if you run out, you can always go and reorder. So yeah, cute. There's no burn acid free primer. So this is the primer for your nails. Looks like that. As well as the gel, like the top coat. And for this one, you don't even need a UV light. So that's another point. Like, that's a plus. Instead of just sitting waiting up under the UV light all day, you could put this on top of it and your nails are dry. So and then they give you the nail prep. Also, we have forms. We have nail forms. I'm not sure how many in here. Maybe it's on the box. Yeah, so I don't see how many, but they give you a long thing of nail forms, so that's a plus. Y'all, I'm having a hard time putting this back. Give you a nail buffer. Buffer, and they give you 3 wooden sticks, 3 of them, as well as it should be, oh, it's on the side, y'all. When y'all open up y'all box and y'all order this, mine's is somehow like in here, so don't throw it away without looking right there. So they give you 3 wooden sticks. And then they also give you, this is in there. This is in there for real. Uh-oh. Y'all, give me 1 second, because this is like in there. Okay. Finally. Okay, I got it open. Whew. Finally. Okay, so they give you 3 nail files. 3. They give you one with 180 over 180. Also, they give you the 100 over 100 and also 150 over 150, as well as and they give you your studio nail brush. I'm not sure what number this is because I know they come in like different numbers. Yeah, they give you a nail brush, of course, because without this you can't do nails unless you're using polish. It doesn't say the number. It says Studio Professional Nail Brush 8, So it comes with a nail brush, and that was packaged off very neatly. As well as, I just had it, they give you a dip and dash. A dap and dish. I said it backwards. They give you a dap and dish. This is the dap and dish that you put your monomer in with your droppers, you know. That's basically everything that's in the box. Like, so far, I'm really satisfied with everything. I really can't wait to try these 3 pretty colors. I just really can't. The colors are so pretty, and like, I'm gonna have so much fun with these, mixing them together and like trying to, you know. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, this didn't come with the Mia Secret Professional Nail Kit. I ordered this separately off Walmart as well, and this was like $10, y'all. So I went on ahead and just got me some rhinestones for like when I do the nails, and I got this off Walmart, and Walmart is the ish. Like, y'all should really tune in and get into it. So I got me some rhinestones, and they come all the way. They're numbered from 1 through 10, or is it 1 through 9? Actually 12. So actually 12. I guess it's the size of the rhinestones. So I ordered this off Walmart, like I said, and it's all different sizes rhinestones, and I think that it's just so pretty. I'm going to order more with like different colors and, you know, like with bows and stuff. So yeah, and it comes with three applications: the rhinestones, as well as the nail tweezers, you know, that you pick up the diamonds with and place it on the nail. It comes with that, and also it comes with this cute little thing that you pick up the rhinestones with. So yeah, so overall with the Mia Secret Professional Kit, I like it so far. Once I get ready to actually use the products, I will do a review on, you know, the how my review is on it, you know, if it's good. I'm pretty sure it's good, but I'm gonna do my own review and let you guys know how my experience is working with these products. I will be doing videos on me doing nails, as well as step by step and all that, and all that good stuff. So if y'all want to start you know, a nail journey on doing nails, go for it. I mean, you gotta have faith in yourself. I have faith in myself. I've done nails before, on and off, just like makeup. I've always been like a girly girl and into all that kind of stuff, you know. So don't let nobody try to tear you down and tell you can't do this, you can't do that. If you put your mind to it, you can do it. You have to have faith in yourself. You have to. So go for it. And it's okay to use it just to practice on it. I mean, it's a practice kit practically. So I'm finna to do my little niece nails, and I'm gonna do a review on that, like I said, and we're just gonna see how that goes. So let's see, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning into my video. If you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and don't be scared to share this video. Go ahead and share this video with everybody. Let everybody know that this kit is legit. So with that being said, what is that, the drill? Put it up. I'm about to put everything up in the box. Yeah, sorry. You okay? So with that being said, y'all, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Don't be scared to share. Don't be scared to comment if y'all want to ask me questions about the kit, and I will link the link below on where I got this kit from. And if you have any questions you want to ask me about anything up in this box, or how I think it could turn out, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. I will give you a feedback. So with that being said, everybody be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.